Here is a Lasko air companion at another one of these vacation houses, and I don't know what it is, but all these vacation houses that I go to always have some kind of a rare fan in them. This one's pretty dirty. I have a small tool set with me, so let's see what we can do with this. Always plug up the drain when you're working near a sink. This is the toolkit I always take with me when I go places. It's pretty basic, but it'll get you into a lot of different stuff. We'll use this bit. Not moving very much air. Something tells me this is going to be a nuisance and a half. Oh, I see. There's clips up there. I'm trying to be so quiet because people are sleeping, and this is the loudest, creakiest fan I have ever worked on. Okay, I guess it'll come off from this side. Okay. So there's the inside. It's very, very dirty. I don't have any cleaning tools with me, but we'll see what we can do. Kind of a weird looking blade. Who knows if this will come off. Did it come off relatively easily too. So there's that. And this was the main reason why I wanted to open this up. Because this motor is probably just about fully blocked with dust. I'm looking at it from the back, and I don't see any air holes. So, let's see here. I guess the knob did not need to come off, so put that back on. And I think just 2 screws will release this. Okay, I think oh yeah, it does. There's clips here. There's something on the back. So what do we have here? Is this solid dust? Yes, it is. So we're going to have to take that off. Those 3 screws, I think, so we can get into the motor. one more. It's all covered in dust, I didn't even see it. It's half a miracle this thing hasn't quit yet. Oh my gosh. Motor is kind of my main concern. So let's see if we can get this dust out of here. Probably should have left this screwed on. Might have made it easier. Shaft is kind of dirty. Gotta figure out how to clean that without the right tools. Stinking hair on here too. I think what I'm going to do is just pull the shaft out with this, and then I can get hopefully some of this dust out of there. I don't want to pull this out because it's very dirty there, and if I clean this out, you know, it really needs to be re-lubricated, but I don't have any oil with me. It's pretty stiff. It's about as good as I can get it without any tools, or without the proper tools for cleaning anyways. So that's going to have to suffice. 2. Okay, so it's been cleaned up to some extent. It's an extremely subpar job in comparison to what I would normally do, but given the circumstances, at least this is something, and something is better than nothing. If nothing else, the motor, now has a chance of having some air move through it. Here's the blade, which cleaned up okay. Alright, let's do a quick test before I put the guard on and make sure everything is working still. Sounds much better than it did before. Actually, there's a lot of air now. I guess that didn't really need to come off. Okay, there's the finished product. I wonder if that can be tightened. Looks like there may be bolts in there that should be tightened from the inside. Let's see if these end caps will come off. Yeah, we're not going to mess with that. I'll just take the guard back off and try to tighten it from the inside, which means more creaking. It's the size of that. Doesn't get any more convenient. There we go. That's better. Okay, now we can test it. Wow, what a huge difference. That's moving more air than it moved that high. And it's relatively quiet too. That's actually really powerful. I definitely need some oil. I'll see if I can find some oil tomorrow. But even with just that cleaning, I think we bought this thing a lot more time.